And you're watching Henry News Hour.
Hey yo, what up? Y'all watching the Henry News Hour?
Welcome to Henry's News Hour.
Y'all know what's going on, man. We in this, hey, get the camera on me. Hey, look, y'all know what's going on, man. We straight after school. You know, you see all the beautiful Henry students. Get the camera on Henry students real quick. Y'all see they all leaving, man. Look, just a beautiful day after school.
Everybody come to Patrick Henry, one of the best schools in North Minneapolis.
You're watching the new season of the Henry News Hour.
Last week we had a lot of fun on our first Friday. Roll the clips.
Hey everyone, Patrick Henry's lunchroom is almost back to normal. Last year all the lunches were pre-packaged, but this year we have plenty of options. If you are looking to find the lunch menu, they'll be posted right next to the cafeteria doors and they are reposted daily.
Hi guys, we have a volleyball game coming this Monday at 6 p.m. versus Southwest. Please come support the game. Thank you.